Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to take you through the new Lot Walk functionality inside of ReconPro. This is an enhancement to our previous Lot Walk indoor inspection capabilities that we had inside of ReconPro, so it makes it just a lot faster for you. This only applies to ReconPro, not ReconPro Classic. If you are currently utilizing ReconPro Classic and would like to use this new application, you're more than welcome to do so. You would just need to go ahead and download it from the App Store. In the back office, the license would need to get replaced. So just go to the back office, company tab, manage devices, click replace next to the license that you'd like to use it on, and just type in the new registration code in the new ReconPro app. In order to have it enabled, you would need to speak to the support team. The easiest way to do so would be just when you're logged into the back office application, click on that red bubble, say that you would like to take advantage of the new Lot Walk. The team will go ahead and add that feature for you, and then you can just go ahead and update the application database, and you're welcome to start using it. So without further ado, let me go ahead and dive in and show you the new Lot Walk functionality. So first thing you do is it's going to ask you a few settings, who's the customer, and what's the inspection type. So you can go ahead and just select both of those. It'll also ask you if you want this for my inspections or team inspections. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my inspections. And then from here, I'll go ahead and click on the little next arrow, and this is the screen. So what this does is this will very quickly allow you to create inspections, aka estimates, from this Lot Walk screen. So in order to create a brand new one, you can either add it by a VIN or you can add it by stock. You'll see that it has one already in here. This little icon up top will let you see the services that are part of the inspections you've created below. So just that'll toggle, lets you see the services on there. In order to add a new one, all you would do is you can just go ahead and click on the barcode. I'll do that next to the VIN. And then it's going to ask me to go ahead and scan. Perfect. And so from here, it has the vehicle details, so VIN, make, model, color, year, stock, RO, etc. I'll go ahead and add in the stock. Click on the little checkbox to save it. Now we've got it loaded in. Next thing is how you add the services. So adding the services is real easy. Go ahead and click on Add Services. And then it's going to have you start typing in some component of the service. So let's say we're doing wheel. I'll go ahead and start typing in wheel. It'll filter that list. I'll go ahead and select it. This one happens to ask me for a vehicle part, so I'll say we're doing this to the left front wheel. And then from here, if you need to add in your notes, you can do so straight away. You can also add in pictures straight away. So if I wanted to take some photos, you certainly can right from that one spot. If I need to add additional services in, I'll go ahead and just save this one, just the checkbox. I'll click on More Services again, and let's say we're going to do a detail. So we'll say Used Car Detail, and then I'm just going to go ahead and save that. So in order to get these approved, maybe you want to show a full list. So when you're speaking to the manager over there, you can show the full list. This will say, all right, first car, used car detail, and wheel repair. We're going to go ahead and polish that wheel. They're like, oh, well, do you have a picture of the damage? Yes, you do. Go ahead and click on the little notes icon over here, and lets you really easily pull up the image. Okay, it's real nice and easy. If they were going to go ahead and approve all these for this car, you can just go ahead and click on Approve All, and then you can scroll down and move on to the next. This one, Approve All, Decline actually does decline. And if you wanted to, you can actually do this a little bit faster as well. If you wanted to go ahead and click on Approve All Inspections, it would let you just go ahead and approve all. And it does let you deselect after you've clicked on Approve All, just FYI. So if you had a bunch of services and they're going to approve everything except for maybe the wheel repair, you can just go ahead and unselect that. So pretty easy. Once you get the hang of it, it'll make everything a lot faster as far as making these inspections. So in green is what the approved total was. In black is what you wrote it for. It'll say you have a total, what the grand total is for the 2 inspections, blah, 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 blah. And then when I'm done, I'll just go ahead and click on this checkbox, which is going to ask me if I'd like to go ahead and save. So I'm going to save it. And from here, it's going to have you start getting an approval with the signature. If you want to back out, you can go ahead and click on the back button. And then if you want to save, aka also get an authorization or a signature, you can go ahead and get a signature. So if you spoke to the person verbally, etc., perhaps they don't want to feel comfortable signing on the phone, you can just go ahead and write their name down in there, and then you can write COVID if desired. Perfect. Once you're done, it'll take you back to this screen, and then from there you can click over to inspections and then start making your work orders for these cars like you did before. So think of Lot Walk as a way to rapidly create your inspections, aka estimates, and then get a signature approval. So it should streamline and make it a lot faster to get those approvals and authorizations when you're on the lot speaking to a used car manager or whoever's doing the approvals there. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. My team will be more than happy to answer them. And again, this is not enabled by default. If you would like it enabled, just go ahead and click on that red chat bubble in the bottom right corner of the back office, and then say that you'd like to take advantage of the new Lot Walk functionality. My team will go ahead and enable that, and then you would just need to update the device database, and then you'll be off to the races. Fantastic. Have a great day. Thank you for your time. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. Thanks.